So before we start the video, I just wanted to let you guys know the reason why we ended up swapping the motor is because the turbo that I had already from the eBay turbo kit, it blew up. So we said, F it, let's just end up getting an LS because it holds more boost anyways. This is the video of me driving it when the turbo blew up. So yeah.
Race car, look at all that. Turbos, they said. Damn, wasn't that? Oof. Smells good.
So today I'm gonna be painting my block with the transmission for the silver Civic. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna use this stuff up. Here we go. It's like I still rocking. Alright, so first I'm gonna use some primer, you know? Make sure it's high temp primer. We got 2 cans of the high temp primer. Go right here, these two. Put out right there. And we got this one right here. It says aluminum, baby. You also need clear coat. I have some clear coat in there, hopefully. And I'm just gonna sand it down with this a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna sand it off camera and then just record when I start painting it. I already sprayed primer on the head and the intake manifold. Oh fuck, got my hair on it. There you go. I'm really putting the silver on and that's it. Should be good. That's after one coat. While this is drying, I'm gonna go buy some clear coat. Looks good so far. Just finished clear coating it with this. I'm gonna let it dry and it should be good to go. Oh shit. I'll show you how it looks on the car, well, on the block in the car. What you said? No. Oh yeah, as soon as I freaking start recording, what you want, nigga? Slowly.
Not on top of me, you fucker! What the fuck, dude?
That's where you put the oil catch can. You know, from right there. Where's this shit at? Right there. One. I'll figure this out right here, but it's sturdy with just one. Ain't going nowhere, you feel me? Then after that, we just have to put, where's the little thing at? And all we do is take this bad boy. Put it there. Blow. Then run the nylon on that bad boy. We're good to go. Yes, sir.
Where's the downpipe?
Where's the downpipe at? Say, where's the downpipe at?
Over there, underneath the table.
Yup.
There's a gasket that goes around here. And it just basically screws on right here. Just put an extension on it right here. Oh, you want it facing that way?
Well, it's better. Okay, yeah, face like a little bit over here, so it can just go down and through here. And that's it.
Like that.
Nah, bro, that much? Put it more to my left. Yeah, right there. Boom.
Nice.
So each time I gotta put oil, I can just take out the top and just put it through there.
Yep, that's it.
There you go.
It has a little grease, so it's kind of hard to get. That's it.
Boom, baby. Yes, sir. Just run the lines. This should be good, right? Look it.
Yeah, that should be good then.
Alright.
You check if the filter fits something where it's at?
That's a good question. Where's the filter? Oh, it should be over here. That is a good question, Kevin. I have a feeling it's not gonna fit. You said what, Kevin? Oh shit.
I have to go through all these fucking lines.
Yo, do it again, bro, just in case. It was leaking through there, bro. You didn't listen. It fits, but it doesn't fit like sideways a little. It don't really matter, right? I'll cut that. Thought we had a funnel.
You don't need it when it's me.
Oh, did you?
All that mess was you.
That was you. Wow, look at that. Anyways, we got the oil cash can. We got this thingamabob, so you won't have to drill the holes on the fucking valve cover. We got the Max Peeling Rods turbo manifold.
Max Peeling Rod Turbo.
Yes, sir. We got turbo. What is it called? Turbonetics fucking wastegate. Wait, is it wastegate?
Yeah.
Right. HKS blow valve. We're gonna, and that's about it. That's all we need. All we gotta do is get heat wrap for the downpipe because it's touching the oil return, right?
Yeah.
And that's it. We're gonna go get that now. So here's what we got for the downpipe. We're gonna wrap it right now. Want me to bring the downpipe out there? And it's gonna cover all them booger welds too.
That was your problem.
So I should really open, but from there.
Oh.
This kid's on crack. Which side exactly you have to do it? Right here, right? The most right here?
A little fiberglass shit on this
That's
end.
how it looks. Look at that. Oof. Race car. Looks nice in here. Coño. That's it?
Yeah, that's it, nigga. And then you go with this.
Tightens it up with that. That's the bad boy that keeps it in place.
I can do
Okay, then start helping.
that. I'm gonna do it right now.
Be fucking
Yeah,
useful.
you're doing it now. But you gotta hold this too sometimes because it'll push it out.
You got it, boss. We finished the oil catch can. Oof. Se ve nítido, papi. Ready? Trying. Muerto. Try it again.
Yeah. Is that really clicking?
Yeah.
Do you hear the fuel pump turn on?
I heard something go ooh, so yeah. I hear you. So we already swapped the motor a while ago. This car's been done for like, I think it was like a month. I've been driving it, I guess you could say daily. And I didn't want to end the video without doing some pulls, at least some light pulls. So I just got out of work. I'm start recording the best I can with this phone and see if I could record holding it and shifting. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, we swapped it from a Japanese B20 block to a LS block. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little couple pulls, nothing crazy, just so I can end the video. We out here. I'm gonna try to do my best to record and hold this. I mean, to drive and hold this shit. I don't want to go too crazy with it because it's not tuned, so yeah. I'm gonna do like 2 pulls and that's it. I'm gonna do a second gear pull. Let me just... I'll record one more when I'm down there real quick, so yeah. Can't do no more pulls, it's just too busy these streets. Look at this. I'm gonna try to do one more and that's it. Let's see. Shit, first gear. Let's do a second gear pull. Cops here, nothing, fucking. That's all. I don't want to be banging gears since it's not tuned, so yeah. Let me show you guys the hood. Well, the engine bay. Yeah, I got it. Oh, fuck. Let me just lock it right out. That's how it looks. Max Peeting Rod's turbo. Max Peeting Rod's turbo manifold. And I didn't know either the catch can, the oil catch can, is from Max Peeting Rods as well. It came with the lines and everything. Yeah, man, runs pretty good for not being tuned. Oh shit. Is it good? Yes, sir. So yeah, that's the video. Hopefully you guys like it. I'll be uploading more. It's just I've been busy working and doing stuff. So yeah, look at this piece of shit. So yeah, deuces.